and then it stops. The needle is right here under this plastic. So it's right here. I have put the air compressor into the straw and the straw on the needle. And I'm forcing air into the needle. Okay, and then I'm going to close it. And let's see if it'll brew now. And it brews perfectly. So if you have an air compressor with an attachment like this and a regular straw, the larger straw is about the size of a McDonald's straw, you can unclog your Keurig in, 2 minutes to 5 minutes. Thanks for watching.